Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with Melissa, and today we'll be traveling to Mexico during COVID-19. I hope y'all enjoy this, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Hey guys, so I am officially at the airport now, ready to go to Cancun during the pandemic. You know, Houston's not the place to be right now, so and there's actually a lot of people traveling right now too.
All electronic devices must be powered down and stowed before the main cabin door can be closed.
Llegamos a Cancún y quiero comer tacos mexicanos.
Esta es Plaza de Toros. Creo que en la noche están abiertos 2 o 3 barcitos ahí. Hay uno que se llama Guanatos. Ahí está bueno, ahí son micheladas.
Oh, me encanta.
And this is the hotel I'm staying at. It's really, really nice.
Ya te veo, Manuel, muchas gracias.
Ok, checamos tu temperatura en el mano. 36.1, disculpe.
And over here we have the lobby. It's super beautiful. And this right here is the outside view. And there's a lot of tables here, so you know you can come out, you can take a test like I did, and then there's also a bar here. The hotel includes unlimited drinks, all-inclusive food, drinks, and then access to the beach and attendance too while you're at the beach or at the pool. Left the resort and now we are trying to figure out a way to get to Isla Mujeres. It's much more local here, which is fun, so I'm excited. Qué rico.
Chicos, antes de que pase, antes de que se empiecen a levantar, aquí se está empezando a levantar.
Así que ya llegamos a Isla de Mujeres. Uy. They sprayed me con desinfectante. It's pretty cool though. Nice, reassuring. ¿Cuánto costó? 800. This is the only place in the whole island that's open for the beach, so we're here. The food looks really good, so I'm excited.
Y aquí así, exactamente aquí, vas a ver la estación de bomberos. Tú sales y aquí justamente...
Yeah, it's a small little like beach access. Apparently most of the tours, this is one of their stops where they come and like you get to take some pictures with some sharks. You get to eat the typical food here, which is actually really good. It's fish, what they call a las brasas. And honestly, for that, I would just recommend coming here. But besides that, I mean, it's cool vibes, but...
Yeah, there's not much to do. So we're planning on leaving Oh, Isla de Mujeres now. Y listo, si llegamos a este restaurante y la comida se ve deliciosa.
Deliciosa.
Sí, él ordenó chipotle y yo pollo guisado. Yummy. Y aquí nos estamos quedando, estamos sacando bicicletas que cuestan 50 pesos para 4 horas. Yeah. Good morning, guys. I'm so tired. We stayed at Hostel 3B. It was okay. Our first room was super hot. The AC didn't work. And then we got moved to another room. I forgot what was wrong with that one. And so we moved to another room and that one actually worked. But the AC, like, we put it at 16 and usually that's really cold. And this was not cold at all. It was actually hot. So we were like, we moved the bed to be right under the AC and everything. And now we're here at 6 a.m. We're trying to get out to go have breakfast and we can't find the receptionist to open the door. So I'm tired. I'm not having it with this hostel. I give it a 5 out of 10.
I'm dehydrated. I'm hungry. Sleep deprived. But one thing is for sure. I'm not Melissa deprived.
Oh God.
Oh, look, these are speakers.
Cool. Yeah, guys, this is where it's at. This is really, really nice. You have an ocean view. The ocean is right there, the beach. So it's a nice walking distance. These are the options of cooking. And it's kind of like a Chipotle. Bad news, guys. I got compromised. My card did. So make sure when you're going to ATMs and getting on people's Wi-Fi. And we stayed at the hostel, and I really think it happened at the hostel. Solo les quería avisar que los bares sí están abiertos, el mall está abierto y que, o sea, si tú quieres venir y a pistear con los amigos, es disponible para ti. Good morning, it's Sunday, fun day. We slept in and it's 1 p.m. and he's eating extra hot Cheetos for breakfast, but we're actually gonna go try this place, so come with us. Looks so good. Bon appetit. And let me tell you, I'm so surprised. It's literally packed. This is the most packed I've seen the beach this whole time.
Or take a good look at her now. Melissa, what do you have to say for yourself?
Está pesada la arena.
A ver si se puede salir. A ver, métete al agua.
The waves are really fun. Yeah, it's just been a good time so far. Do you have any comments for Playa de Carmen?
Nah, it's probably been like the chillest spot we visited so far. Because it's more like mixed in locals and tourists, so.
It's time for dinner again. And today we're gonna get some steak. Check out who's thing. Okay, so hey people, I just want to let you know, if you're a server and you ever see this guy come to your restaurant, he gets sold every single time.
Man, I just want to have some good food and a good time. So if you're a waiter and you could sell me on some food you got selling,
We get sold literally every single time for the most expensive steak anywhere we go. It's just too funny.
I'm a sucker for steaks.
Oh, qué rico.
Oh my god, the vegetables are so good.
Vegetables.
Look at that.
Yeah, you can have some of my vegetables. Look at yours. Oh, your meat looks good.
What is this?
Cheese.
He threw. Don't run into the pole. Oh my god. I'm so ready for some sleep.
Hi guys, good morning. The day has finally arrived. Okay, I'm just gonna have to cut myself off here, but the video for Xcaret will be a different vlog, so enjoy this one for now.
Gracias.
Yeah, I think this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you for staying tuned with me. If you have any questions or anything, and I know a lot of people asking about what's open, what's closed. So yeah, the best place for just hanging out in the beach without having like an inclusive like hotel or resort would be Playa de Carmen. If you're in Cancun, definitely get an all-inclusive space or a hotel that is beachfront and has private access to the beach. All the bars are closed in Cancun. Literally almost everything was shut down in Cancun except for the little artisanal shop and the hotels. And then what else? Getting through customs is really easy. All they're doing is temperature check. And then one thing that they're doing here that they're not doing in the States is they're making you sanitize your shoes literally everywhere you go. So when you see a little black carpet, like plastic carpet, kind of like the ones that you put in your car, step on that, sanitize your shoes, go into the store. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and have a great day.